Hi, my love. We're having a cocktail party today for summertime, and I've got a great drink. Now, admittedly, it's not my own, but I'm going to jazz it up just a little bit. It's a fabulous pineapple and lemonade drink. Let's get started. All right, now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours and it'll be ready to go. But I can't wait that long. I need to taste it now. Yeah, you're gonna like this. Cheers.